Welcome back to the Excelers, where we simplify Excel. Part 1, Combination Charts.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of the Excelers, where we simplify Excel for you. Today we'll be encountering combination charts. So combination charts is combining the data of two separate entries into one chart. So as complicated as that sounds, it is extremely simple. So our first step is to select our first series. I will be going with product A. Once you do that, you press insert and I will be choosing a bar graph. I will just move it on the side. Right. Once you insert the bar graph or whatever graph that you will be choosing for your first series, you want to say insert another series, and I will be inserting product B. So you press right click. Under right click, you press you press select data. Once you press select data, this is what will pop up on your screen. So move over to add under legend series. Once you press that, it will give you two options, which is series name as well as series value. So under series name, select the series that you will be going with. So I will be choosing product B. And under series value, choose its data. So yes, that. Once you're done selecting the data, this is what you'll be getting. So an additional thing that we can do is say I want to convert series A into a line graph and maintain series B as a bar graph. So that is possible as well. So you choose the series. So I right click. Once you press right click, it will give you this option called change series chart type. You press that and then go under the column and say you have a lot of options. You have a bar graph, you have a column graph, and whatever else you see on the screen. I will be going with a line graph, and you can also create a secondary access by just clicking on this button. You click that, and this is a preview of how your data will look like, and you can select that, and yeah, this is our combination chart.
Part 2, Sparklines.
The next thing that we will be doing today is adding sparklines to our data. So the first thing that we must do is go to insert. Under insert, you will see the charts. This is not what we have to select. Next to that, you will see this small column called sparklines. So under sparklines, choose line and then choose the data range. So for say A, the data range will be January to August. So I will choose my data, and once my data is selected, I confirm it, and I confirm the location range as well. Once that is done, I will see my trend. I will see the sparkline. But you don't have to sit and do that for all of the data series. Just drag it down and it will autofill. So yes, that is how you add sparklines to your data.
Thank you for watching.